Are you tired of scattered to-do lists and unproductive days? Say hello to the daily productive routing system ***, your all-in-one Notion template designed to keep you organized, productive, and on track. This powerful template is designed to streamline your daily routine. From tracking your tasks to monitoring your health and learning progress, it has everything you need to stay focused and motivated. Let me show you how it works. 1. Task progress. Visualize your productivity with an intuitive chart that tracks your daily achievements. 2. Health tracker. Monitor key habits like nutrition, exercise, rest, and mental well-being. Whether you're hitting the gym, meditating, or tracking sleep, this section helps you stay consistent. 3. Learning progress. Track skills like coding, language learning, or any personal development goals. Organize your week effortlessly with the weekly task table ***, perfect for planning your priorities. And the task board lets you manage tasks visually, so nothing gets overlooked. Why choose this system? It boosts your productivity by helping you focus on what matters most, builds habits that lead to long-term success, keeps your work, health, and personal growth in balance. Ready to take control of your life? Download the Daily Productive Routing System and transform the way you work, learn, and grow. Link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's stay productive together.